levy, rice levy, textile levy, overdue cargo levy, wine levy, and cigarette levy. So I want to bring to the notice of this Honorable House that out of these 9 Federation account levies, that only one, which is CET, as you can see from the table there, is presented to FAC for sharing by the Office of the Accountant General. The rest of the levies, though classified by the Office of Accountant General as Federation account levies, is not the responsibility of the Nigerian Customs Service to remit this money for sharing in FAC. But all these other levies from 2 to 9 has been appropriately remitted into their respective account. So, sir, at this point, I would want to take us to Appendix A, pages 5 to 14, which shows the account that these levies were remitted into. So if you turn with me to page 2, you see the list of those items there. And for 2016, these were the for rice levy, cigarette, and all other items. There was a total remittance of 49,830,734 naira, 734,568.21. Then I want to take us to I want us to turn to page 5, Appendix A, page 5, to see the central bank statement of those items that were remitted. So if you look with me, you will see, I believe it's there in your paper, where we have the asterisk there. You will see the 10% rice levy. You see rice levy. And you look at, this is the central bank statement with the CBN signature. You see that this money, this sum of 7,349,474,540 naira 37 kobo was remitted into this account, which the central bank statement confirms that.
Into which account, sir?
Sir,
when you say this account, which account?
That is the 10% rice levy. 10% rice levy. Yes, sir. 10%.
That's the name of the account?
Yes, that's the name of the account, sir.
10% rice levy?
Yes, 10% rice levy.
That is the name of the account with the CBN?
Yes, that's the name of the account with the CBN.
Okay, so who benefits? Who benefits from that account? Who draws from that account?
Yes, sir. What I'm saying here is that these levies, as I stated earlier, is listed as Federation account levies. And it is the responsibility of the Office of the Accountant General to send this money for sharing in fact. But for whatever reason that this money, which the Nigerian Customs Service has remitted into its appropriate account, was not sent to Federation account, is what the service cannot give explanation.
Okay, so your own position is that this money was actually sent to the account provided by the Accountant General?
Yes, sir.
And that the obligation of now taking it into the
Federation
bank account,
yes, sir,
is out of your own purview?
Yes, sir.
That's your position?
That's my position,
okay,
sir.
Go ahead, sir.
So, sir, the same thing applies for 2017. And 2017 can be seen in the next page. That's 2016. If you look at 2016, it then comprises other levies. I will still, the first one I picked was for only one levy. If you check 2016, you will see other levies. That is, you see the 30% levy on sanitary waste. You can see that's page 6. You can see the levy there. And then you also see a textile levy, cement levy, and others. So I may need to take water.
You need to take water, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Or if you need tea, do you need tea?
I may need to take water.